Cloud changed software. Now payments are having their platform moment. Welcome to Stronghold 101. Remember when every company ran their own servers? IT budgets were insane. Downtime was constant. Then AWS arrived and made that all disappear. The same disruption is hitting payments right now. Legacy banks are the old server rooms. The next generation of infrastructure is already live. The cloud transition did more than replace servers. It made infrastructure invisible. One API call, infinite scale, zero maintenance. Payment infrastructure is having that same moment. Bank relationships that took months, now it's one API call. Settlement that took 3 days, we're down to 3 seconds. Compliance nightmares? Automated into the background. The real power comes from something else entirely. Convenience that becomes indispensable. The classic platform strategy works like this. AWS started with storage, then compute, then databases. Before you know it, you're fully committed. Payment infrastructure works the same way. Start with one integration, add another feature, connect a few more services. Suddenly, you're embedded. Every merchant strengthens the network. Every connection multiplies the value. The switching costs, they compound quietly. At Stronghold, we focus on a different principle. Make every integration genuinely valuable. Our APIs unify banks, cards, and stablecoins, everything working together without friction. The goal? You stay because it works, not because you're stuck. The next platform play is happening in payments. Subscribe to see who's building it.